Welcome to this morning meditation session, a space for you to cultivate a peaceful mind as you begin your day. Today, we'll focus on finding clarity, calm, and an inner sense of serenity. This time is for you, a gift to yourself to start the day with intention, mindfulness, and a peaceful heart. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your body relax, your hands rest softly, and close your eyes if that feels right. Let's begin with a few deep, grounding breaths. Centering with the breath, take a deep breath in. Feel your lungs expand as you fill them with air. Hold it for a moment. And now, slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress. Feel your shoulders soften, your jaw relax, and your whole body settling. Breathe in deeply again, letting the air refresh and calm you. And breathe out slowly, releasing any worries or distractions. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Allow each breath to bring you deeper into this moment of peace and calm. Setting a peaceful intention for the day, let's take a moment to set an intention for peace. This intention will guide you through your day, helping you to maintain a calm and serene mindset no matter what you encounter. Repeat quietly to yourself or in your mind, "I choose peace and calm as my companions today. I approach my day with a peaceful heart and a clear mind. I am grounded, calm, and at ease." As you say these affirmations, feel your intention for peace becoming stronger, rooting itself within you like a gentle, steady anchor. Body relaxation. Now, let's bring some relaxation to the entire body. Begin by focusing on your feet, feeling them soften and relax. Imagine a warm, soothing light traveling from your toes to your ankles, releasing any tension. Let this light move slowly up to your calves, softening each muscle, up to your knees, and then gently to your thighs. Feel them relax. Now, let this peaceful energy continue upwards into your lower back, your abdomen, and your chest. Let go of any tightness or tension, feeling only calm and ease. Allow this warmth to flow into your shoulders, letting them drop and relax. Move down your arms, into your hands and fingers, and feel your entire upper body in a state of peace. Finally, bring your awareness to your face. Soften your forehead, relax your jaw, and let your entire face be at ease. Feel a sense of lightness washing over you as your entire body rests in complete relaxation. Focusing on the present moment, with your body fully relaxed, let's bring your awareness to the present moment. This is your time, nothing else matters right now except this experience of peace and calm. As you breathe in, notice the coolness of the air entering your nose. As you breathe out, feel the warmth of your breath leaving your body. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly as you breathe. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Gently guide it back to the rhythm of your breath, allowing each inhale and exhale to bring you further into this moment of peace. Cultivating inner peace. Now, let's affirm peace within. These affirmations are meant to cultivate a deep sense of inner calm that will stay with you throughout the day. Repeat after me, either aloud or in your mind. Peace begins within me. I am calm and centered, no matter what I face today. I release all thoughts of worry and embrace stillness. Feel each affirmation sinking into you. planting the seeds of peace and calm that will bloom as you move through your day, visualizing a peaceful place. Now, let's take a moment to imagine a place where you feel completely at peace. This place could be real or imagined: a tranquil beach, a quiet forest, a peaceful mountain top, or any other place that brings you serenity. Picture yourself there. Feel the air around you, hear the gentle sounds, and see the beauty of this peaceful place. As you immerse yourself in this scene, feel a sense of calm washing over you, knowing you can return to this place whenever you need peace. Allow yourself to rest in this scene for a few moments, soaking in the tranquility, calm, and beauty, releasing stress and embracing calm. Let's take this moment to release any remaining stress or tension from your mind. Imagine each worry or thought floating away, like leaves on a gentle stream, flowing further and further from you. Repeat these affirmations: I release all worries and allow peace to fill my mind. I am free from stress, filled with calm and clarity. Today, I choose a peaceful mind and a joyful heart. Feel these words settling within you, bringing a deep sense of inner peace, gratitude for the new day. Now, let's end this session with gratitude for the new day. Gratitude is a powerful practice that brings peace and helps us stay grounded. Think of 3 things you're grateful for this morning. It could be the beauty of the sunrise, the comfort of your home, the people you love, or even this time of peaceful meditation. Hold each thought in your mind for a moment, allowing it to bring warmth and joy to your heart. Take a deep breath in, feeling gratitude filling you up. And as you exhale, let that gratitude spread throughout your entire being, bringing peaceful energy into the day. As you prepare to end this meditation, know that the peaceful energy you've cultivated will stay with you throughout the day. You can carry this sense of calm and serenity with you, letting it guide you in all you do. Repeat these final affirmations: I am at peace with myself and my surroundings. I carry calm and tranquility with me throughout my day. I am ready for the day with a peaceful heart and a clear mind. Take a final deep breath in, filling yourself with this peaceful energy. And as you exhale, let go of any last bit of tension, ending the meditation. When you're ready, slowly begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders, and gently stretch your body. And when you feel ready, open your eyes, carrying with you the sense of calm, peace, and mindfulness you've cultivated here. Let this peace guide you through the day, bringing you clarity and joy. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May you move through your day with a peaceful heart, a calm mind, and a spirit ready to embrace each moment with grace.